guys, so I just designed this little ant farm, ant house type thing. Basically right now I got 2 ants in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're in there somewhere. There it is. They're running around. So right now we got these little plugs that I designed that you can, open them up to be able to use this little 5mm hose. And I just designed another one. So this is a little maze where they'll go in, kind of go through, and they'll come back out. So what you can do is just kind of, I made this pretty tight, so it takes a little bit of effort to get it in there, but it'll go. So there you go. Stick in just a little bit, and what I'll do is I'll cut it right about in half. And then I'm just gonna unplug it, hopefully not lose the ants. They're just little plugs that I made. There we go. Now I'll just pull this back on right there. So just sit on your desk like this. And basically you just cut the plexiglass 48 by 48. And the total size here is 50 by 50, so it'll just slide right in here. Little channel. And there's a channel in the back as well, so you actually push it in. There we go. And that way it's flush here. So then we'll take the other little cap, and it's basically the same diameter as the hose. So we'll plug up the second hole now. And that's it. So you got a plug there, you got a plug here, you got some hose. And the ants will just kind of come out of here, go into there. I was thinking about adding some sand or dirt maybe in here, just to let them play around and move that sand around and kind of build their own little base. But there you go, guys. Check out the link below for purchase, or if you want the files as well. Thanks for watching.